This is our Andersen White Shaker style cabinet. This is a North American frame style cabinet with a semi-full overlay. You can see here that the doors and drawer fronts cover most of the base frame, but not all of it. The doors themselves are made with solid maple wood on the rails and stiles, this section here, and the center panel is made with MDF. The doors and drawer fronts are finished with a bright white satin paint finish, and the doors and drawer fronts are matching. The doors also come with soft closing hinges. The drawers are made with a dovetail construction, as you can see here. The sides of the drawer are made with 5/8 of an inch thick, 100% solid wood, and the drawer glides are undermount, full extension, soft closing stainless steel drawer glides. The cabinet box is made with 1/2 an inch thick plywood and is constructed using L-shaped click and lock metal brackets. The interior of the cabinet is white and has full depth adjustable shelves. The exterior of the cabinet is also finished in a matching white painted finish.